At Cal State LA, we've been working hard on GI 2025 for the last several years. These unprecedented times disrupted our traditional ways of working. We had to redouble our efforts to maintain steady improvement in retention and graduation rates and the reduction in equity gaps.
We were planning to take our work to the next level by building a new Center for Academic Success. It would be a one-stop shop where students could get personalized attention and be referred to someone who could immediately help them, an advisor, a tutor, an academic coach, or even a faculty member holding office hours.
And then the pandemic hit and everything changed. We were suddenly confronted with an unprecedented challenge, being scattered across Los Angeles and many of us with limited access to technology and bandwidth. We were worried that our students would be unable to connect with advisors, so we purchased thousands of laptops and hotspots for students in need.
Research shows that students who establish meaningful connections with at least one person on campus are more likely to remain in college. So during the pandemic, relationships became even more important. We realized that we needed to reimagine advising and student support services, remove more administrative barriers, and use our technology to rewire the way we work to place relationships front and center. We accelerated our shift to proactive advising.
Within 2 weeks, all of our advisors, academic coaches, tutors, and peer-led study groups had moved to Zoom. We focused on helping our students build relationships and stay connected.
We became more intentional about our communications. We sent students emails, followed up with additional emails, phone calls, and most recently, text messages. We made it easier for our students to set up appointments with our EAB advising system. And for the first time, every first-year student will have their own advisor. At the end of spring term, our scheduled advising appointments were 12% higher than they were at the same time last year, and our communications were up over 450%.
This summer, we moved orientation online and encouraged advisors to build online relationships and connections like never before. Every student had a small group advising session before they registered for classes. We invited all new students to a remote learning experience in Canvas. They learned how to submit assignments and how to prepare for class, and they met other first-year students.
We continue to bridge advising with academic support. Some of our students were unable to take advantage of our services because they were working or taking care of children and siblings at home. We realized that we needed to meet our students where they were at. So we provided evening and weekend tutoring and coaching sessions, and we also provided online webinars on topics related to student success. We are reaching more students and becoming more personal at the same time.
Our students benefited from the changes that we implemented. Students may not be on campus, but they are back in class. Our first-year retention rates are higher this year than last. Our graduation rates have continued to climb, and we reduced our equity gap despite COVID-19.